Okay guys, it's about 1 hour to the close. Let's see if we can find one trade at least. Nasdaq has been pushing down, but market is all over the place. You see buyers just pushing up and down. The tape has not been consistent. So we'll wait and see guys to see if we can get a good trade right now. Still I don't see any pattern right now to trade. Market is just look at this in the micro ES, is a little wiki, so market is doesn't have any decision to go anywhere right now. So we wait and see guys. Okay, see the Nasdaq pushing down. We see 7 prints in that same second.
Short signal ES.
Gonna
Short signal NQ.
Try and short here guys. See if we can catch this trade
Short
really
signal
quickly.
ES. Short signal NQ.
See the Nasdaq 274, 120, broke the ATR. I don't think buyers are gonna come and pick it up here, but still market is just stalling here. Let's see if we can catch this trade guys.
Short signal NQ.
Okay, there you go guys. Almost there, almost there. More sellers in the tape.
Short signal NQ.
There goes the NQ again.
Brick setup.
There goes sellers in the tape. Buyers trying to pick it up here. Okay, sellers in control in the NQ. Let's see if we see another batch of sellers here in the NQ. Little sellers in the tape in the NQ. You should see a batch of sellers in any moment guys if it's gonna continue down. We go more sellers in the tape, but too little. We go more sellers in the tape.
Short
An imbalance
short
to the
signal
downside.
short signal
Okay.
NQ.
Sellers to the downside guys here. 792. Told you it was a batch of sellers.
Short signal NQ.
There you go.
Short signal ES. Short signal ES. Short signal ES.
There you go guys. Almost there. Okay. Plus 700 here guys in this trade. So almost stopped me out as you saw here. I was telling you about this this price action here. I didn't like it, and the market was really slow. Didn't like that. What happens is when the market does this is buyers picking the price up. the big guys buying the dips over here, and they don't care. They have deep pockets. We cannot do that, guys. We need to be sniper type of trading because we are retail traders, and the majority of us, we trade for prop firms, and we need to have some rules, and you cannot break the rules. We're gonna have small losses. Okay, you cannot have big losses. We gotta have daily loss limits. So some people is copying accounts. Okay, so right now market shoulda, coulda, woulda, coulda going, more down. But as you saw here, the market started and then reversed. So it can happen here anytime. You just, you're short, and in a blink of an eye, the Nasdaq is in the ATR, and the ES, as you know, if the Nasdaq sneezes, the ES receives a call. So it's better to have, your targets in place and everything. Don't gamble. Don't, those big home runs are one in a lifetime, guys. It's very difficult to have those big home runs. Just don't break the rules. Don't go long if the ATRs are short. Okay, so this was not a textbook trade, guys.
Short
This is
signal
a
and
good trade,
Q.
but it's not a textbook trade. So but let's see if we can find another one, and see what happened, guys. This was a very good trade. I really loved it. It did develop as expected. I knew the sellers were just gonna pump in once I saw the reversal bar, but price dried up. I knew buyers were out of control. So then we expected the 792, the imbalance, 89 seconds to form. It was a quick time. So that's it, guys. So thanks for watching. If you're interested in the system, there's a link in the description of this video. You can contact me. I will be happy to send you information.